cleave to your purpose and mission. The days seem to grow shorter as you compress and concentrate creation. Your intentions are stronger with more content as messages from the timeless infinite awaken your world. It is the time of fulfillment. Each moment is like a blossom, an ever-expanding array of wondrous creative expression. The Dark Masters have chosen not to see. The call is for them to come into the light. The dark passage of time is over. It will not suffice to hide in the shadows. There are no shadows to hide within. All is light. The Dark Ones have a mistaken image of the third dimension as being separated from the rest of the universal flow of the great river. They are not in separation. They are attempting to hide, to deceive, and to gain power over those who play in the game of weakness and dominance. It will not endure this generation. The Dark Ones are seen clearly by all. The teachers of light illuminate all darkness. Division and separation are nightmares and only negative dreams. Light shines forth to reveal a better world. The Dark Ones cannot stop or slow the light of the central sun. Attempts to stop the spiritual river of light and love with papers, words, bullets, bombs, walls, laws, lies, fear, and darkness cannot hold back the current of change. They see nothing because they are only closing their eyes while the light still shines. Dark Ones attempt to hide behind beliefs and limitation, and they build walls to reflect, deflect, and confuse, and avoid recognition of the simplest of acknowledgments. The game the dark plays will not endure. It is not the way of the universe. It is not part of the flow. It is unconnected to the central sun. The teachers of light shine in harmony with the lighted pathway. The path of destruction, fear, violence, poverty, and war are games to keep from seeing. The playground is watched and guarded by caring parents. The children who play the evil roles are not alone nor lost from the family. They have played the game and are now only caught in a web of confusion between what is real and what is not. Those who play the game with them, we lament for your painful illusions and hear your cries of discomfort and sorrow. Yet we know these are imagined losses and the pains are a fleeting drama of an internal cinema. Wayshowers reach out to all who are playing in the fields of the illusions and speak with the voice of compassionate understanding to show the way home, where pain leaves and the heart opens. Wayshowers say with love, you are welcome back, and nothing you have done is in error, only that it is not for your greatest good. They ask you to feel what you feel, and know if it feels better to play in the dark or to speak truth in alignment with the path of light and love. Wayshowers feel the joy that comes from unconditional love. Love binds the universe together. Love and light shines forth as the creative force growing in wisdom, intelligence, and enlightenment. The teachers of light are from all dimensions and from all places within the galaxy. The greatest teachers of light are stars and have chosen to radiate eternal and internal boundless light through all dimensions. Light shines among the central strand, both from the deepest central reaches of the universe through the heart of the galaxy to the point within your heart, and deeper still to the smallest particle at the center point of your earth. You are first born as a soul with the cosmic peace of the central sun descending into form to bring forth the emanation of your life and radiate out through your human heart. The special origin of your being is made of and touched in each moment by the essence of all that is. It is your cherished essence of your being in steady vibration with conscious awareness that you love.